What a day. I feel just like dancing around with a daisy. Oh, what a day. Hold that right. Come on, Parson, and kiss her twice. What a day for somebody and me.